Hello everyone, welcome to Chaudhary Data World channel. Today I am here with two new DAX functions that are UNICHAR and then UNICODE. We'll be watching the differences and the utilities that how we can use these particular functions into our project. So let's get started with the video. To demonstrate each of the function, we will take a calculated column by clicking over new column. Here we will first rename this particular column as UNICHAR. Suppose in this UNICHAR we will use the function UNICHAR. This UNICHAR is expecting an input as a number. That means it is asking us that there should be some number provided over it, which will be converted to the some text. So what it represents is, suppose you are having some characters into our data set. That character may be suppose here C or here U or anything. It can be a space or it can be a dash, it can be anything into our data set. All those characters can be represented with a number. That number is called as UNICHAR number. Suppose I am passing up, I have just copied one of the UNICHAR code, that is 9733. This is the code which will be, when passed, it will give you something which is in the form of character into the data set. So let me click on enter. On clicking on enter, you can see that a star has been printed, right? This star is nothing but the character which is represented by this particular code 9733. Similarly, for a space, you can provide 32, and then there are multiple other things like, I guess 10 is the number which is for their enter. Whenever you want to have a line break, you can provide over there. So these are some of the numbers which, when provided, it will take up some character as in the form of character in the data set. Now coming to Unicode, for that Unicode, what we will do, again we will create a new column. We will go to table tools, new column. We will rename this particular one as Unicode. Fine. Taking up the Unicode function, it is expecting a text. That means it is a direct opposite of that. Whatever text here we will provide, correct? That particular text will be converted to the code whatever we can pass into the UNICHAR, and that particular means we can judge that. What, suppose I am right now copying this particular one. Suppose if we can copy this one, let it be as an error for now. I am just taking one example here. If it can be so it's, suppose it's a star, right? This particular star is 9733. If we will copy it from somewhere else, or let me pass some other character, as it can't be copied. So if I am just passing another character, suppose A is the character here, text we need to pass A B C. So what it will do is, whatever the first character in this whole string, that is capital A, this particular string A will be, or whatever its code will be, that code will be represented over here. So let me click on enter. Yeah, so you can see that 65 is the code which, when provided into UNICHAR, it will be converted to A, and rest of BC here, it will not be taken care of. That means whatever the first character will be, that will be taken up and that will be converted to the code. If we'll pass the 65 to this one, so let's see if it is printing it. You can see that, right? that A has been printed out. So that was whole about this. That means this UNICHAR and UNICODE both are opposite to each other, and the usage is directly different to each other. So that was whole about this video, and thank you so much for watching the videos. Stay tuned to the channel for upcoming DAX functions. If you like the videos, kindly like to the video, subscribe to the channel. Thanks again. See you in the next video.